Welcome to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, la podcast about OJIBWE, language and culture too. I'm happy to be here with you today to speak OJIBWE. G-A-I-on Homanungun in English means I'm happy to be here today. That's all I wanted to say in OJ.
How you doing, sweetie? Oh, I'm doing pretty good. Not too bad. Hey, BOOZHOO! And welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO. Over here, Hoa. Get out of here! The lovely and the very talented Natasha. Ikadon BOOZHOO ni weenie moshain. Say hello, my sweetheart. Hello, my sweetheart. BOOZHOO gakina awiya. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the show. And over here, the rock star cartoonist himself, Michael Lyons. Ikadon BOOZHOO, Michael Lyons. Hello, everyone. How you doing? And today, our Ojibwe word of the day. What's the Ojibwe word of the day, sweetie? Oh, today's Ojibwe word of the day, if I can find it, is, miigwech. Thank you. Miigwech. Thank you. Giza-ga-een. I love you. Hey, sweetie. What? Miigwech. Giza-ga-een. Thank you. I love you. Oh, sweetie, miigwech, giza-ga-een. I love you. Hey, Michael. Ah, shut up. How you doing? I'm fine. Mm-hmm. Oh, leave him alone. What? I didn't say nothing. Yeah, I know what you're doing. You want to talk about it? No, I do not want to talk about it. Don't talk about it. I didn't say a thing. Is there anybody you would like to say giza-ga-een to? She's probably watching. I'm pretty sure she's not watching. All right. Leave him alone. Okay, miigwech. Thank you. Giza-ga-een, I love you. And, sweetie, did you want to add anything? No, that's pretty good. All right. Michael, you sure you don't want to send a little special message to somebody special? Well, in that case, I will see you again. Igawabamin, Minowa, Hoa. Hoa! Miigwech! Igawabamin, Minowa. You sure you don't want to talk about it, Michael? Yes, I'm sure. What? Leave him alone. Alright, that's good enough. Alright, well that was pretty good. Yeah, I think so. How do you feel about that? That's good, short, yeah. Alright, and stop recording.
When I was a child, running in the night, afraid of what might be, hiding in the dark, hiding in the street, and from what was following me. The hounds of love were hunting, always been a coward. I don't know what's good for me. So here I go. It's coming for me through the trees. And help me, someone, help me, please. And take my shoes off and throw them in the lake. I'll be 2 steps on the water. I found a fox caught by the dogs. You let me take him in my hands. His little heart, it beats so fast, and I'm ashamed of running away from nothing real. I just can't deal with this. I'm still afraid to be there. Among your hounds of love, to feel your arms around me. I've always been a coward. I don't know what's good for me. So here I go. Don't let me go. Hold me down. It's coming for me through the trees. And help me, someone, help me, please. And take my shoes off and throw them in the lake, and I'll be 2 steps on the water. Do you know what I really need? Do you know what I really need? I need your la 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 love, love, love.